Oh, and also, we're gonna dump the Easter Bunny.
Fred! All you think about is yourself.
Don't throw snowballs at me, fat boy!
At the heart of Fred Claus is the story of two brothers, Fred and Nicholas, who were constantly competing for their parents' attention and affection. Paul is the youngest of three siblings, so you would think rivalry was at the forefront of the Giamatti household. Paul says his father, Bart, who was the commissioner of baseball, and his actress mother, Toni, were bigger rivals than he and his older brother, Marcus, ever were.
It was a nightmare. No, it was fine, actually. I mean, I think a lot of that sibling rivalry comes if your parents probably play you off against each other, which my parents didn't really do. They were too busy going after each other. So they left us alone in a lot of ways. We got along pretty good, actually. So, I mean, it wasn't perfect, but I could draw on some of that. But I never felt like I had that kind of real bad sibling rivalry with it. I mean, he's 6, 7 years older than me, so when we were little, that's a bigger gap when you're little. But now, oh yeah, no, definitely a lot closer. Yeah.
Paul's brother Marcus appeared in the HBO series Tell Me You Love Me and is currently shooting The Chosen One, written by Rob Schneider. Paul is currently filming Pretty Bird with Billy Crudup as best friends who fight over the creation of a rocket-fueled jetpack.
Ow! Ow!
Guys.
What's that? Ow! That was nuts! You don't have ninjas jump me.
They gotta make sure nothing happens to me.
Something happened to them, maybe I give them something.
No.